All right, so a quick video here. If I've had a lot of people ask me, I don't know what cam I have, what the lift is and what the duration is. The only way to truly do this the correct way is to install it in your car and use a degree wheel. You can determine the lift, the duration, and all of those specs, okay? However, if you just want to know the lift and you haven't put the car together yet, somebody has a cam that you can use and you're not sure that the springs that you have are adequate for the cam and you want to know what the total lift is that you can expect from the camshaft. This is a very easy thing to do without a degree wheel or any of that kind of stuff. You can get very precise with the actual Lobe lift. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to do this. All right, so I've got two cams here. I've got the factory original cam that came in a 1991 Chevy K1500 TBI truck. Okay, and that's Old Red's original cam. This was his second cam, which is a Lobe Voodoo, and I think the last three digits are 701. This has a 213, 220 duration at 50, 454 thousandths on the intake, and 469 on the exhaust. That was what the cam card said it has. This cam has been ridden pretty hard, so it is having a little bit of wear to it, but we're going to measure both of these cams. I'm going to give you two examples on how to measure the Lobe lift and then how to determine what the total lift at the valve will be. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, and I've already done this first one here, okay, to give you kind of the numbers and how it works, to save some time. All right, so we've got the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the camshaft and you're going to find the lobe that you want to do. Okay, all right, so we have exhaust valve, intake valve, exhaust valve, intake valve, okay? So these are the lobes, okay? So you can see that they have a split duration. I'm sorry, these are two intake valves. This is an exhaust valve. You see this one has, I think, 114 degrees lobe separation angle between the two valves. Anyway, so the way that we're going to measure this is you're going to take one of these, okay, caliper. You're going to measure the skinniest diameter, okay, and that's going to be right here, okay. You see that I'm measuring where the lobe goes up, the two sides, okay, that's what's called the base circle of the cam, okay. And I'm going to measure that, the smallest point, okay, and I got 1.3085, okay, and if I can unlock my phone. All right, so you already see that I've already got that number here, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to measure the actual total, the largest diameter, which is going to be from the bottom of the base circle to the top of the lobe. And you're just going to kind of roll this lobe a little bit and make sure you get the peak part of the lobe. Okay, I got 157.45 or 1.5745. I've already got that down here. So what you're going to do is simple math here, and I just locked my phone. You're going to take and subtract, sorry, my camera here. All right, you're going to take the 1.5745, which is the largest, and subtract the base circle, okay? That's going to give you the actual lobe lift, okay? So 268 thousandths lobe lift. If you're using 1.5 rockers, you just multiply that by 1.5 and that'll give you the total lift at the valve. So 402 thousandths lift on the intake. Okay? Easy. We're going to do another one on the Lobe. Okay? So we're going to take this, I'm going to measure the largest. It really doesn't matter which order you do this in. And just to make sure it's precise, we got 1.5385. Alright, so that's 1.5385. 100%. Okay, 1 point, wow, it's actually a little bit bigger. 5425. That's what I thought. Okay, and then base circle. Again, I think I'm doing this inside the camera, but you kind of get the idea. The screen goes to sleep on me, so I can't see what you see. Here we go. Alright. And I'll do it on this lobe here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Alright. Base circle 1.24. So a smaller base circle. 2485. Alright, so alright. So the Lobe cam has a lobe lift of 0.294. Okay? So 0.294. Now we're going to multiply that by 1.5 ratio rocker, stock rocker size. That's 441 thousandths lift. And I think it was 445 on the intake. So it's wore down a little bit. And this is a flat tappet cam. It's not super uncommon. So 4 thousandths wear on it after running it pretty hard with a supercharger. It's not crazy. So anyway, so that's just a quick little video how to determine the actual lobe lift and lift at the valve with a cam outside of the car. Thank you.